Our investment philosophy is based on our belief that it is companies and not stocks that create value. Hence, we follow a bottom-up approach to investing with a top-down overlay. We are a highly process-driven investment house. While selecting individual securities, we apply the BMV model, whose three cornerstones are business, management, and valuation. That is to say, we aim to identify companies having strong and sustainable businesses, headed by good quality management, and available at reasonable valuations. At present, India is in a structural bull market. Several years of policy logjam have resulted in the economy coming to a virtual grind. Now, with a pro-growth government at the center with a very strong mandate, we expect issues pertaining to environment, land acquisition, etc. to be resolved soon. This will help in reviving the investment climate in the country. Over the next 3 to 5 years, we expect the government to implement certain broad reforms such as financial sector reforms, that is focusing on lowering the NPLs in the banking system, oil and gas sector, which has already seen a fair bit of reforms. We expect that to continue, which should actually end up decreasing the subsidy burden of the government. The goods and services tax, which is expected to improve the consumption demand due to decreases in prices of goods, and at the same time increasing government revenues. Further, interest rates are expected to decrease in the coming months. This augurs very well for the investment cycle to pick up in the coming months. As we all know, the markets have been making new highs in the past few months and are currently in the middle of a correction. The impact of the steps that the government is taking to revive the economy will be visible by the latter part of the current financial year. While earnings growth will continue to remain muted in the near term, it can be expected to accelerate from FY17 onwards. Nevertheless, despite the run-up in the past 1 year, the market is trading at 16 times one-year forward earnings, which is marginally above the long-term average PE multiple. We believe that when the earnings cycle starts to revive, PE multiples should expand over 20 times one-year forward earnings. Hence, we believe there is significant upside left in the markets. The Canara Robeco Emerging Equities focuses on identifying and investing in opportunities present in the mid-cap space. The fund follows a bottom-up approach of stock selection. The portfolio includes companies with high growth potential, companies having high intrinsic values, companies having potential for value unlocking. Also, companies having potential of turnaround in their businesses due to the change in the investment climate. And finally, companies with high operating and financial leverage due to restructuring of their businesses. Quality is very important for us, and hence we aim to invest in good quality and fundamentally strong businesses. Considering that mid-cap companies are typically volatile, the fund portfolio aims to reduce the volatility through adequate diversification. Diversification has historically helped the fund in both upward and downward markets. For example, over a 3-year period, whenever the benchmark fell, the scheme on average only captured approximately 61% of this decline. On the other hand, it captured approximately 112% of the upside when the benchmark rose. Our endeavor for Canara Robeco Emerging Equities is to buy tomorrow's blue chip today.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.